Hi Sanjog. Yeah, so in this issue, what is happening is when I create task from appointment info page and assign it to an employee, this section is expanded, and when I assign the task, it is getting highlighted in red. But on collapse and expand, at first time it shows this task duplicated. I see two tasks with the same name, and the task which is getting duplicated is the last task present in the list, and on refresh then it shows correct task which got assigned. So I'll show you. Mm, okay, so this I have. uh, so this is the invitation I received, appointment invitation, and I'm going to create task for it. I'll select the type, and from migration test is the name of this task, and it is assigned to Nilesh Sawant, which is selected here in the task list. Now I'm going to create it. Okay, I got this notification. You can see the last task name is task created from appointment. I'm going to collapse it and expand it. I see this load more, and on clicking on load more, I'm seeing this task created from appointment, and it is actually duplicating this one. But if I refresh now, or I can go to the view info, it is showing same, and for this also it is showing same. But if I refresh now, yeah, you can see this task from migration test sheet is getting updated. Yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.